Hi, I'm Kaushal Agarwal. I head digital delivery at EXL. I've been with EXL for over 22 years and have seen the company evolve over these years to be domain, data and digital powerhouse that it is today. The first decade of EXL shaped our deep domain expertise by running large operations in industries like insurance, healthcare, banking and financial services, or horizontals like finance and accounting, supply chain, or customer experience. The second decade shaped our deep data capabilities, like bringing data together from multiple sources, extract data from unstructured document and images, establish linkages with metadata, clean up and transform data to make it usable, and build analytics models to generate business insights. The third decade in which we are now is where we are transforming businesses by orchestrating digital and AI solutions. Our deep domain and data capabilities are founding blocks which puts us in a great place to leverage new age technologies like Gen AI and create industry-specific solutions. Domain, data and digital are the three most important ingredients in the formula of any successful large transformation program, which puts EXL in the front of this game.